Have you ever felt like the universe is hiding secrets from us? Like, no matter how much science advances, there are still mysteries that seem impossible to explain. Well, you're not alone. Even the greatest minds in history, Einstein, Hawking, Feynman, struggled with some of the strangest discoveries in physics. And today, I'm going to take you on a journey through 10 mind-bending phenomena that seem to break the very laws of physics. By the end, you'll never look at reality the same way again. Number 1. Quantum entanglement. Spooky action at a distance. Imagine two particles created together. No matter how far apart you separate them, across the room, across the planet, or even across the galaxy, when you change one, the other instantly reacts. This is quantum entanglement. Einstein himself hated it. He called it spooky action at a distance because it seemed impossible. How could two particles communicate instantly, faster than the speed of light, when nothing in the universe is supposed to move faster than light? And yet, experiments prove it's real. Scientists can take two entangled particles, send them in opposite directions, and when they measure one, the other collapses into the same state instantly. It breaks our classical idea of space, time, and causality. Some physicists think it means reality is more deeply connected than we ever imagined. Others think it hints at hidden dimensions. Either way, entanglement defies the rules we thought were unbreakable. Number 2. The double slit experiment. When observation changes reality. Take a particle, like an electron, and shoot it at a wall with two slits. What you'd expect is simple. The particle should pass through one slit or the other. But that's not what happens. Instead, it behaves like a wave and goes through both slits at once, creating an interference pattern, just like ripples on water. That alone is weird enough. But here's the kicker. When scientists actually observe which slit the particle goes through, the interference pattern disappears. The particle suddenly behaves like a particle again, not a wave. It's as if the universe changes its behavior the moment you look at it. Observation doesn't just reveal reality, it literally creates reality. To this day, no one truly understands why. Number 3. Time dilation. Time doesn't tick the same for everyone. You might think a second is always a second, but according to Einstein's theory of relativity, time is flexible. It slows down depending on how fast you move or how strong gravity is around you. Imagine you have two twins. One stays on Earth, while the other travels close to the speed of light in a spaceship. When the traveling twin comes back, they'll actually be younger than the one who stayed behind. This is called the twin paradox. It's not just theory either. We've measured it. Astronauts on the International Space Station age a tiny bit slower than we do on Earth. It's only fractions of a second, but it proves time itself bends depending on speed and gravity. Our clocks may tick, but the universe doesn't care about keeping time fair. Number 4. Black holes, where physics breaks down. Black holes are cosmic monsters, regions of space where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. They form when massive stars collapse under their own weight, squeezing matter into a point of infinite density called a singularity. Here's the mind-bending part. At the singularity, the known laws of physics simply stop working. Equations blow up. Time and space themselves seem to break down. And then there's the information paradox. If something falls into a black hole, does its information vanish forever? Quantum physics says information can't be destroyed, but black holes seem to do exactly that. Even Stephen Hawking wrestled with this mystery. To this day, scientists don't have a final answer. Number 5. Quantum tunneling. Particles breaking through walls. Picture this. You throw a ball at a wall. Normally, it bounces back. But in the quantum world, particles sometimes do the impossible. They just pass right through. This is quantum tunneling. According to classical physics, if a particle doesn't have enough energy to cross a barrier, it should never make it. But quantum mechanics says there's a chance, tiny but real, that the particle can tunnel through and appear on the other side, like teleportation. It sounds like magic, but it's not. In fact, without tunneling, our sun wouldn't shine. The nuclear reactions at its core depend on this bizarre phenomenon. Without it, life itself wouldn't exist. Number 6. The observer effect. Does consciousness shape reality? We already saw in the double slit experiment that observation changes outcomes. But the deeper question is, why? What does it mean to observe something? Some physicists argue that it's not human consciousness directly causing the change. It's simply the act of measurement. But others wonder, could awareness itself play a role in shaping reality? This idea gave rise to Schrödinger's cat thought experiment. Put a cat in a sealed box with a quantum trigger that has a 50-50 chance of releasing poison. Until you open the box, the cat is both alive and dead at the same time, superposed states. It's only when you look inside that the cat chooses one reality. It sounds absurd, but quantum physics insists reality isn't fixed until it's observed. Number 7. Dark matter, the invisible mass holding the universe together. Look out into the universe and you'll see galaxies spinning. But here's the problem. They spin so fast, they should fly apart. According to the laws of physics, there isn't enough visible matter to hold them together. So, scientists proposed something invisible, dark matter. It doesn't emit light, doesn't absorb it, and we can't see it directly. But we know it's there because its gravity keeps galaxies intact. The crazy part? Dark matter makes up about 85% of all matter in the universe. Everything we can see, planets, stars, people, is just a tiny fraction. And yet, no one knows what dark matter actually is. Number 8. Dark energy, the force tearing the universe apart. If dark matter wasn't weird enough, the universe hit us with another puzzle. Dark energy. Instead of slowing down after the Big Bang, the expansion of the universe is speeding up. Something is pushing galaxies apart faster and faster. That mysterious something is called dark energy. It makes up about 70% of the entire universe, and yet we have no clue what it actually is. Some say it's a property of space itself. Others say it's a new kind of energy field. Whatever it is, it's rewriting the rules of cosmology. Number 9. Quantum superposition, being in two places at once. In the quantum world, particles don't have to pick a state. This is called superposition. In the quantum world, it can be both at the same time, until someone checks. Only then does it collapse into one outcome. This isn't just theory. Superposition is the basis for quantum computers. And here's the crazy part. These aren't science fiction. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember, reality itself might not be as solid as it seems. We're living in a universe full of mysteries waiting to be cracked. If you enjoyed this journey into the weirdest side of physics, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video. Because trust me, there are even more cosmic secrets out there, and you don't want to miss them.